Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your musical setup with something powerful, reliable, and easy to play, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best acoustic guitars for beginners, chosen for their tone, comfort, durability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. We're ready to show you the absolute best options, so let's get started now. Let's start with the Fender California Debut Redondo. If you want a beginner guitar that carries a legendary name without the premium price tag, this Dreadnought's a solid place to start. We're looking at a laminate spruce top paired with basswood back and sides. It features Fender's iconic 6-in-line headstock and a slim C-shaped NATO neck. The neck's easily the fastest part of this guitar, making it incredibly comfortable for small hands to grab chords. The matte finish is a great touch too, since it won't show fingerprints after a long practice session. It delivers a rich, surprisingly loud tone that makes it a perfect couch or campfire companion. But it's not totally flawless. The body laminate's on the thinner side, and the plastic nut and bridge feel a bit cheap. Also, some users find the stock tuning keys struggle to hold a tune at first, and the factory strings feel pretty basic. Still, with a quick string change, this thing's a beast of a starter instrument that punches well above its weight class. It's highly recommended for anyone starting out right now.
Now we're checking out the Donner DAG-1C. This is a full-size 41-inch cutaway guitar that packs a spruce top and mahogany back and sides. It uses a Purple Heart fretboard with 20 brass frets and clear position markers. Donner's X-bracing gives this body some serious structural strength. The big benefit here's the rich, warm, and highly balanced sound. It projects nicely and has plenty of volume for any acoustic style. Plus, the flat satin finish on the neck's great because it doesn't get sticky when your hands sweat. You're getting a complete starter kit with a gig bag, strap, tuner, and capo. But keep in mind, the action sits a bit high out of the box, so you might need to sand down the bridge saddle to make it easier to play. Also, the included clip-on tuner's pretty hit or miss, and some players report the stock strings break easily during the first tune-up. Overall, though, it's an incredibly high-value bundle that sounds like a much more expensive instrument once you get it set up right. We highly recommend starting with this model right away here.
Next on our list, the Donner EC2077. This is a 40-inch mini jumbo guitar featuring a Sitka spruce top and African mahogany back and sides. What makes this one stand out is its unique slim waist design. It gives you the crisp highs of an auditorium guitar alongside a warm, deep resonance. It also comes with a piezo pickup, meaning you can easily plug it into an amp for live performances. The C-shaped mahogany neck and bone nut make fretting smooth and comfortable, especially if you have smaller hands. It's lightweight, highly portable, and the hand-rubbed retro brown matte finish looks stunning. But there's a catch. The neck's quite narrow, so the strings sit very close together. If you've got large fingers, you'll probably find fretting chords a bit of a tight squeeze. Also, the factory strings feel stiff and tinny, so we're recommending a quick swap to higher quality strings. But if you want a compact, travel-friendly acoustic that can plug into an amp, this one's an absolute steal. We highly recommend this specific model for any guitarists on the move right now, for sure.
Let's move on to the Vangoa 41-inch acoustic guitar. This Dreadnought cutaway features a premium Sitka spruce top, sapele back and sides, and an arched back design. That arched back's key because it naturally boosts sound projection and deepens the bass response. The thin polyester finish allows the wood to vibrate freely, giving you a lively, rich tone. It also uses precise 18:1 ratio tuning pegs, which help you get in tune quickly and stay there. We love the comfortable oval C-shaped neck and the smooth fret ends that prevent finger fatigue. The matte black finish with the brown binding looks incredibly sharp, but be warned, the matte surface a total fingerprint magnet. Also, the fretboard and binding feel mostly like printed decals rather than real inlaid wood, and the frets feel very shallow. But if you want a highly playable guitar with a deep, booming voice and a great accessory kit, this is a fantastic choice. It's a reliable instrument that looks and feels premium, making it a truly great way to start your musical journey today without any hesitation at all.
Finally, we have the Moukey MK3000. This is a 41-inch Dreadnought cutaway built with a basswood body, a mahogany neck, and an okume wood fretboard. It features enclosed copper tuning machines with a 14:1 gear ratio and a bone nut.
The big dreadnought body produces a vibrant, full tone that works well for almost any genre of music. The cutaway design's a huge benefit for beginners because it makes reaching those higher frets effortless. It comes with a helpful chord poster to get you playing on day one, along with a padded gig bag, strap, and capo. On the downside, the glossy black finish looks beautiful but scratches easily. Some users also report that the bridge can lift or show durability issues after a year of heavy playing. The strings also tend to slip out of tune quite a bit until they're fully stretched. But for a dead simple, highly affordable starter pack, it's a solid gateway into playing guitar successfully. You'll be strumming your favorite tunes in no time with this highly budget-friendly setup, so don't overlook it right now here today, surely.
And that wraps up the top 5 best acoustic guitars for beginners. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest picks. Whether you want a campfire buddy or something for daily bedroom practice, these options will serve you well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep strumming and enjoy your new music journey now.